Hi, what is your name?
My name is Amelie M. Santos.
How old are you?
What?
How old are you?
6.
What is your grade?
1.
Can you share your talent?
Yes.
Okay, let's see.
Diyan naman sila ay. Baka natin. Hindi na sa kanila.
Kasi, thank you, computer.
Thank you, computer. Children Club. Bye-bye.